In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap XLOOKUP with IFERROR in Excel to flag unmatched items. Open Microsoft Excel and make sure the workbook you want to use is already open. Once the sheet is visible, go to the orders list and click cell F2. This is the first empty price cell under the price header, and this is where the formula will go. With cell F2 selected, start typing the basic XLOOKUP formula shown on screen. Enter it carefully so Excel can pull the matching price from the catalog table. Type equals, then XLOOKUP, then open the parenthesis. After that, enter E2 for the lookup value, because this row will use the lookup ID from column E. Then type a comma. Next, enter $$2, $$6. That sets the lookup array in the catalog. Type another comma, then enter $B, $2, $B, $6. This sets the return array for the prices. Then close the parentheses. When the full formula is entered, press Enter. Excel returns the catalog price for that order, which is 12.5. Now click cell F2 again, so you can copy the formula to the rest of the price column. Move your pointer to the small square in the bottom right corner of cell F2. This is the fill handle. Hover until the cursor changes, then double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the formula down through cell F8. Once the fill is complete, look down the column. Most rows now show prices, but 2 rows display the error message $N/A. These are the orders whose lookup ID values are not found in the catalog. At this point, column F is filled, but the unmatched items still show an error. The unmatched IDs are P-099 and P-404, and those are the ones we're going to flag more clearly. Click cell F2 again. Go up to the formula bar at the top. You are going to wrap the existing XLOOKUP with IFERROR, so Excel can return text instead of an error when there is no match. In the formula bar, click directly after the equal sign at the beginning of the formula. Type IFERROR, then open the parenthesis. This places IFERROR around the XLOOKUP that is already there. Now move to the very end of the formula, right after the closing parenthesis for XLOOKUP. Type a comma, then type quotation mark, not found, quotation mark, and then close the final parenthesis for IFERROR. As you enter it, the full formula should read equals IFERROR, open parenthesis, XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, $A$2, colon, $A$6, comma, $B, $2, colon, $B, $6, close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark, not found, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Once the full formula is in place, press Enter to commit the change. Cell F2 still shows the price result for the matched item, but now the formula is prepared to show not found anywhere the lookup fails instead of returning $N/A. Click cell F2 one more time. Go back to the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell and double-click it again. This copies the updated IFERROR wrapped formula down from F2 through F8. Now look at the 2 rows that previously showed errors. Instead of $N/A, they now display the text not found. The matched rows still show their catalog prices, and the unmatched rows are clearly labeled with readable text. Column F is now fully populated. Every order that matches the catalog returns a price, and the unmatched items are flagged as not found. The failed matches are no longer hidden behind Excel error codes, so the results are much easier to scan. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The final result is a clean price column where row 5 with P-099 and row 7 with P-404 both read not found. All of the $N/A errors are gone, and the lookup output is easier to understand at a glance.